Students, last class we discussed about basic introduction in association rule with the help of a priori algorithm. Okay, in order to implement association rules, we use a default algorithm called as a priori algorithm. So in previous session, what we discussed, similarly in this session also, we use any one data set so that for that data set we implement our a priori algorithm. The test data is ourself, our choice, what you have to choose. Okay. So consider the main aim of this experiment is illustrate some of the basic elements of association rule mining using Peka. In this particular session, we are going to a sample data set used for this example is just test.rf. Okay, this test case data set is we are taking an academic year. In that academic year, uh, we are predicting whether particular student is choosing which branch. Okay, based on the on particular year, the engineering student is opting particular branch. Okay, so for the step one is open the data file in Voca Explorer. It is presumed that the required data fields have been discretized. So in this example, in previously we take age attribute. Here we consider any academic year attribute, okay, or particular year attribute, okay. In step two, clicking on the associate table will bring up the interface for association rule algorithm. We will use a priori algorithm. This is the default algorithm. In order to change the parameters for the run, we use support and confidence. These are the two interesting measures for calculating data mining for particular data set. Okay, we click on the text box immediately to the right of the choose button. Okay, so this is the case we use. And coming to this, we use a particular what we call as we use this is the test data. Okay, if you see this one, open with notepad. Okay, if you see our notepad, our data set consists of test dot attribute relation file format. Relation name is test. We use an admission year. Admission year is we are choosing, this is a categorical data. So we have only for particular, you not assume that if you are representing this set of data means there is a what we call as this is a categorical data. If we use this, instead of you are using the values like continuous means there should not be any particular values. Okay, so a course means we have a categorical data, so only we are assuming our data like this. In 2005, most of majority of the students choose CSC and IT. 2006, there is no particular boom for CSC, so mechanical, IT, and ECE. In 2007, 8, and 9, almost all we are choose. There is a boom in CSC and IT, and when you go for the 2010, they should be mechanical. Okay, so consider this one. Now, if you use this and you use this, this is a data. When you use particular all. See, this is the what we called as this. Already you know that the data should be nominal. If we are using nominal means we are using only two attributes. Instances is 12, admission year and a courses, and the majority is 2005 is with the count is 3, 2006 the count is 3, 2007 the count is 2. Okay. Okay, 2008 the count is 2, 2009 the count is 2, and 2010 there is no data. 2 means either IT or CSC. Okay, 3 means either IT, CSC, mechanical, or EC. Okay, consider this. If you choose, we have a apply. This is a relation properties, and these are the fields, and this is the name of the particular attribute name and category. If there is no missing values, so there are 5 distinct values and there is no unique values. Okay, See again, if you see we have associate. If you are choosing, if you clicking this one means there is a particular concept. Okay, if you are using confidence, this is a class index using delta for cycling, and the minimum bound is 0.1, maximum bound is 1.0. So one cycle and next cycle is moved for 0.05, next 0.05, that is 10. Okay, this is for delta, and we are calculating metric type called confidence, and the minimum metric is 0.90, minimum rules is 10. Okay, so if you choose like this, okay, now you start means you have this. Okay, minimum support you said at 0.1, minimum metric confidence is 0.90, number of cycles performed is 18. See, course equal to mechanical 1, admission is equal to 2006. Okay, if you are choosing 2006, course equal to mechanical, automatically admission is 100% in this year only. Okay, okay, next. So that large item sets for the first relation is 9, and second large item sets is 11. Again, you choose particular value, and we are changing the rules. We are talking only 5 rules. Now we are starting this one same. Okay, there is no changes because we are using only 2 attributes. This is the session. This is the only session we discussed. Consider if you are taking this is a numerical attributes, right? Now consider you are taking what we call as nominal attributes, numeric attributes. Okay, so numeric attributes. So you are taking the weather data set. Previously we discussed this weather data set. See, this is outlook and type is nominal, and temperature. This is a numeric attribute. Okay, if you see associate, there is no apply and there is no highlight of apply. There is no highlight of start and stop. Choose means there is no highlight of apply. So that you can assume that we can 100% say that Appear algorithm takes only what data? This is a categorical or numerical nominal data. It should not take any numerical data. Okay. I hope you understand this session also. When you see the example like a priori, you can easily understand the concepts of cycles and instances. Okay. So this is the end of this lab session. I hope you understand the lab experiment 4. Tomorrow we'll discuss our next lab. We'll discuss the lab session 5. Thank you. Thank you.